Running a business is easy, but tracking profit loss is the hardest. What if your dashboard showed everything clearly the moment you open it? That's exactly what OS Books does, your smart accounting partner that takes your business from loss to profit. Right now, all the cards on our dashboard show zero because we haven't entered any data yet. But don't worry, in this demo, we'll go through the entire process step by step. From adding the opening balance, recording previous transactions of customers and company, adding employee records, entering opening stock, to making the first sale and checking profit loss in real time. In short, everything from the beginning to the final balance sheet, all in one smooth flow. First of all, it's very important to enter the opening balance of both your bank account and cash. Suppose you are starting OS Books for your shop for the very first time. The key step here is to record the exact amount of money in your bank and cash, your current status, into the system. By doing this, right from day one, you'll get a clear picture of your financial position, and all the upcoming entries will remain perfectly accurate. To record the balance entry, first you need to go to the Accounts section located on the left side of the screen. From there, click on Bank Book. Now, when you want to enter balance in cash or bank, first select Other Account. Then press Enter and choose the correct date. For example, let's say you currently have 10,000 in cash. So, select Cash Account and enter the amount, in this case, 10,000. In Other Info, you can save it as Opening Balance. After that, click Submit, and the software will understand that you now have 10,000 available in cash. The same method is used for entering your bank balance as well. Simply go to the Cash or Bank section. If your bank's name is not yet in the system, you can add a new bank right from here. Just type the bank name and press Enter. After that, select Bank Book. Now, enter the amount available in that bank, for example, 10,000. In Other Info, save it as Opening Balance. In the same way, you can add another bank, for example, Bank of India. Enter the name, press Enter, select Bank Book, and then enter its bank balance in the same way and save it. Once you have entered the opening balance of all your bank and cash accounts, go back to the dashboard. As soon as the dashboard opens, press the refresh button so that all data gets updated. Then, click on More Info under the All Account Balance card. This will give you the complete details of the current balance of all your banks, cash, and other accounts. In short, your entire financial status will appear clearly and updated in one place. Now let's move to the next step, where we will enter our customer's opening balance, that is, their previous outstanding dues. This step is very important, as it helps you know exactly how much money is pending from each customer. On the Customer Outstanding card, you'll see a plus button. Simply click on it. From here, you'll be taken directly to the customer ledger. Now enter the customer's name, for example, Rajesh. Type the name and press Enter. A modal window will open where you can fill in the remaining details, or simply submit. Next, just select the customer. Now, go to the Date option and choose the date when you last interacted with the customer, or when the last payment record was made. For example, I'll select 15th August and then press Enter. After that, go to Other Info and add the narration as opening balance. Then, keep pressing Enter and in the bill amount field enter the previous outstanding amount, for example, 5,000. Continue pressing Enter and finally submit the entry. In the same way as you enter data in the customer ledger, you can follow the exact same process for the company ledger as well. For this, go to the dashboard and look for the Company Outstanding card. Click on the plus button on that card. You'll then be taken to the company ledger page, where you can either select an existing company or create a new one and enter its opening balance. Once you have entered the opening balance of all your bank and cash accounts, go back to the dashboard. As soon as the dashboard opens, press the refresh button so that all data gets updated. Then, click on More Info under the All Account Balance card. This will give you the complete details of the current balance of all your banks, cash, and other accounts. In short, your entire financial status will appear clearly and updated in one place. Then press Enter, and in the amount field, enter the value, for example, 50,000. Keep pressing Enter to save the entry. In this way, OS Books makes it super easy to manage everything. And once all entries are done, Just refresh the dashboard and you can clearly see the totals for both customers and companies in one place. Now, let's add the opening balance for the employee ledger. For this, go to the Accounts section and click on Employee Ledger. First, enter the employee's name, for example, Shubham. In the modal, fill in the remaining details like joining date, designation, and salary. You can enter salary as 500 per day or 10,000 monthly. After that, press enter a few times and click submit. Then, go to the date field and select the relevant date. For example, 31st July. In Other Info, write opening balance and include any previous outstanding amount if applicable. This is how you can add the employee's opening balance in the same way. Now, let's move on to opening stock, that is, the stock currently available in your shop. Let's see how to add this stock into the system. It's very easy, and in just a few steps, you can accurately record your existing stock. Now, let's look at the manual entry method. For this, go to Inventory and click on the plus icon under Purchase. Instead of a company name, create a new company with the name Stock Account. To add opening stock, our inventory offers two options, manual entry and Excel import. If you want to use Excel, the link is available in the description and also at the top by clicking on the I icon. Now, you can turn on settings to make entries quicker and easier. For this, click on the settings icon at the top. Then, enable the options I have previously set, such as Quick Product, Show Company, Show GST, Show HSN, Show MRP, Show Unit, and Sale Price. After that, click Save. Now, as an example, I'm going to add two products. For instance, I'm adding Samsung S25 Ultra. First, add Samsung in the brand name. Then, type Samsung S25 Ultra in the product name and confirm. Press enter repeatedly to fill in GST, HSN, quantity, MRP, and price. In the price field, enter the cost at which this product came to you, that is, the amount. While adding the product, you can also set the sale price right here. Enter the sale price and confirm it. Using the same process, I'll add another product, for example, Samsung S25. The cost price or purchase price of this product is 45,000 and the sale price, which I will sell to customers, is 50,000. After entering both the price and sale price correctly, I save the entry. This way, you can efficiently and accurately track the entire stock of your shop. Now, click on Save at the bottom. Then, a payment status modal will appear. Here, select Other Account under Bank or UPI. Enter the total bill amount in paid amount and click Save. This is how you can easily record the opening stock of your shop. By refreshing the dashboard, you can track your stock by clicking on More Info in the current stock status card. Here, you'll get all the information, the details of your products. These are quick reading cards, where you can easily understand your product information at a glance. By clicking on the View button, you can also track the stock details by quantity and price. So far, we've completed your opening entry. But when you start a new business, you can also add the amount you initially invested into OS books. This way, later on, you can easily know whether your business is in profit or loss. The easy way to do this is to go to the Accounts section and click on Payment Ledger. Here, instead of party name, I'm using Capital Account as an example. Then, select the date when you made this investment. In Other Info, write the narration as for business opening. Enter the invested amount under Payment In. Press enter repeatedly. Select Other Account as the payment source and submit this entry. Now, this entry will be added and you'll be able to easily see the current status of your business. Let me show you how to do it. To view this, go to Final Accounts and click on Balance Sheet. Here, you'll see the liabilities and assets sections. From this, you can understand the actual status of your business. At the top, click on Show Report. Now, you'll be able to see the current status of your business. In liabilities, you'll see the amounts the company owes, such as company dues, the total payments still pending to the company, loan taken, the amount you initially invested or borrowed, and employee salary due, the payments still pending for employees. Keep in mind, the total value of total liabilities and total assets is always the same. Now, in assets, you can see that 5,000 is pending from customers as customer due. We currently have 7,50,000 worth of stock. There is 10,000 available as cash. Our bank balance is 20,000. Looking at this situation, it's clear that our business is currently running at a loss. The true strength of any business lies in its sales. Currently, we are in a loss situation, but as soon as sales happen, the entire scenario will change. To make a sale, first go to inventory and click on the plus icon under sales. Then, add a customer, for example, Shubham. Press enter repeatedly to move forward. First, select the brand of the product you want to sell. Then select the product, choose the quantity, for example, 3, and add it to the bill. Similarly, if you want to sell more products, you can add them to the bill along with their respective quantities. Now, click on Save, and you'll see the payment option. This whole process is exactly the same as we followed during purchasing. The only difference is that this time you're selecting products for sale. Now let's talk about payment. OS Books offers a multi-payment option. This means, for a single bill, the customer can pay using different methods, some cash, some bank, and the rest via UPI. For example, if the customer paid via bank, just select the bank, for instance, Bank of India, and enter the amount. If a little was paid in cash, select the cash option and add that amount. And if the remaining payment came through UPI, select the UPI account and fill in the amount. That's it. All payments for a single bill will be clearly displayed, simple, and without any extra effort. After filling in all the details and clicking Save, the bill will appear instantly. At the same time, you can either print it or send it to the customer via WhatsApp. On the dashboard, today's sales, all account balance, and current stock are immediately updated. Now, go to Final Accounts and click Show Report on the balance sheet again. And your profit loss will be completely clear right in front of you. This helps you easily track your business and see its growth in real time. Initially, the business was running at a loss of 25,000. Then, 3 pieces of each of the 2 products were sold. This resulted in stock worth 4,80,000 being sold, with a profit of 30,000. Now, after adjusting the initial loss of 25,000, the net profit becomes 30,000 minus 25,000, which is 5,000. This means the business has now come out of loss, and the actual profit of 5,000 is clearly visible. In your business, the hard work is yours, and the responsibility of keeping accounts is OS Books. Clear reports, smart dashboard, and real-time profit loss, everything in one place. Start using OS Books today.